So why do you petrified to speak and practice this English language? So this is just like a language, and as you know that language are just like process, and we cannot learn this at a tandem. It will take time for learning English. As you know that even in your native language, more than 3 years it will take time to learn the children to speak, and initial time they feel also some problem, some obstacle like this language. So when I started this learning, it will take more and more time, but now I feel comfortable because I know that so once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel English Education with Ashok. I know that there are so many problems which will come when you start the new things, but gradually when you are started the things once time, and it become easy for you, and that's why you don't scared to practice. And as you know that practice perfect the man, as you know this proverb very widely, and there are so much inside meaning that you can't imagine. So when we practice, the way we see, the way the mistakes we can see, but when you will not try, then how can you know that there is problem, there is obstacle. So these are the things you can face but initially, but then after you will gradually develop the way of speaking, develop your confidence, and confidence will come slowly. So once you start, but don't break the consistency. Consistency is the key to improve anything. So if you want to communicate, if you want to start new things, consistency play a vital role. Another point which I absolutely mention with you, motivation. Motivation will come slowly, but it will come sure. But how it will come, it depends on you. But one thing you can keep in mind, any person who become great and who make their future better, so there is a big story behind this. There are so many hardship, there are so many sacrifice who they faced, and then after they become a great person. So here you want to perfection will come, but just you start. I was the boy who always scared to speak something, and I never used to share the things to the friend circle, but right now I become so free, then I can share when I any make mistake. So this is the challenge day 13, and if you are on this channel new, please support me and share my video to your friend circle, and whenever you get chance to speak something, like you start making video, and it will come through practice. Another things which you know that very well about the things which every day you do. When you do the things correctly, you become happy, but when the things become wrong, it demotivates you. So motivation will come through yourself. You just start the things. Another point, that you write something daily. When you write the things daily, it increase your confidence level. You become fluent then. So thank you for watching, and please support me and share my video.